Ndiang'Ui Kinyagia, muandiki wa Mauvoo Mitandaoni kana bloga ula Waaie Kuma Nyumba Kwake Kinoo Kauntini ya Kiambu Matuku miongole na ili Mweini Muvitu Niwesa Kwikiwa Kotini wa Milimani Muthenyani wa Umunthi Itina wa Syumwa ile ya Akenya Kusukumiia Kumanya vala kwianana na wakili wake Ndiang'Ui anayepithite kwa kabina Itina wa Kumanya kana Maovisaa ma DCI nimeomomantha kwa mapitio ala utanamanya vala kuwetekana ta unakiye andu mamusi kana unakuni andu mamusi wake simo Muthenyani wa wakeli kumamanithia kana ni muima vala ukuwetekana ta unayumbanite kupika maofisini ma DCI na kwetekela kutoa kotini amanya kana ena usubiku wa kwiana kale jalo mutunga.
Muandiki wa Mauvoo Mitandaoni kana bloga Ndiang'Ui Kinyagia Niwesa Kwikiwa Kotini Muthenyani wa Kana Itina wa Kwivitha kuma moi muthelu Matuku miongole na ili ukete mokulyo maingi ala tete imake ala ni lawyer wa home thuku akielesya kana Ndiang'Ui ndanaite kanyara indi anasembete kukise thayo wake Itina wa kumanya kana Maovisaa ma DCI makeo momantha kondo waitumite sekanie.
We want to make that distinction very clear that the DCI officers, and they have confirmed this in a statement and in court and in an affidavit, actually went to Mr. Ndiang'Ui's house at 2 p.m. and at 11 p.m. Satana ya usiku, they broke into his house and they carried away several things. We said that, we reported that to police, and they confirmed it in their affidavit, and they have confirmed it in court. So anyone alleging there about the issue of abduction, then any self-abduction, then you must tell us whether the DCI breaking the house were part of the self-abduction. And those are the issues we want to have briefed by our clients. We will get back to you if need be.
Kuwetekana kana Maovisaa ma DCI matulita nyumba yake na kulika undula wa mwiki nzeve na asemba na kwa ngine vyo vinini yambesya kukosya wa Kenya Maovisaa ma DCI makiendeka mamumilie muimbo ya Mbakasi East Babu Wino akiwetekana ke kativa musidi wa makwani kumya mwoloto muvyu wa kana nongi na Ndiang'Ui akaumilwa kotini wetha mwano ano weiwe na ingi kutambwa matambya lama nosiwe nenzama ya meo ya LSK.
We want to thank God that he's still alive. In the same breath, we want to take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Judge for having stamped his authority and ensured that Mr. Ndiang'Ui Kinyagia be brought before this competent court of law. Were it not for the petition that was filed by the Law Society of Kenya, that I thank so much, today we would not be having Ndiang'Ui Kinyagia, and we want to thank the Law Society of Kenya so much.
Niwasya kana sieko sioteka ni wanyara kwa muika tio sungio muyani kwa alama ketotwa isa sieko hii na kwenda si the review.
We will still have him here. We want to say that there must be an end to abductions. Solution cannot be abducting Kenyans for no reason. And I want to tell you that too much cruelty will finally breed hatred. And there's too much hatred, there's too much anger in this nation.
Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, Dilingi wa Mauvoo.